Hello guys, I'm Emrata. This is my new video. I am Binance affiliate. You already know. This video for new users, plus who is created account on Binance Global and don't know how to trade with altcoins or Bitcoin. So today I want to show you how to trade OPG. It's AI project. Firstly, I want to show you this with fast how to create account on Binance Global with referral code, how to pass task of or company campaigns. This page, register page of Binance Global. If you use this code, BESTCODEMAX here, my name, my surname, my nickname, you will get up to 20% trade rebates, 10% for futurist trade, and this new user bonus. You will fill form with your email or your mobile phone, Google account, Apple account, or Telegram account. So easy. Next step, we must approve or account KYC approval. It's so easy with your mobile phone. With 30 seconds in, you will complete this step. You should use your passport, national ID, or driver license or living permit. Yes. So OPG, how to buy and sell. Firstly, after KYC approval, we must deposit money on Binance Global. Be careful in your country. What is crypto regulation? Focus this point. With legal way, you will deposit money to Binance Global. Click here, deposit, mobile same. Choose your currency here and clicked, for example, buy with USD. I clicked. On this page, this is fast sell and fast buying, so easy. I want to show you OPG here. Which method you can pay? GPay, Visa, MasterCard and Google Pay, you see. So you should select your payment system, payment method here. For example, I select Visa, MasterCard and click confirm. So OPG here, 200 USA dollar. If I want to buy OPG with 200 USA dollar, I will get this 875 OPG I can buy. When I click buy OPG, my OPG will come to my spot account. When I want to sell, click sell and click sell button. So easy. So if you want to buy OPG on normal market area here, crypto market, we need stable coin. How to buy stable coin? I want to show you USDC, USDT, for example, Tether. I select Tether. I click here 200 USA dollar. With 200 USA dollar, I will get 187 Tether. When I click buy, it's transferred to my spot account. Easy. So, for example, I have 200 Tether now. I have clicked market. I click OPG in first page. This screen, market area of with Tether, OPG. So you should click here, info section. You will see all information about this crypto, this project. 1 billion maximum supply. Now on sector 119 million OPG. And what is project name? Open gradient, like that. So this is current graphic. Red colors sellers, green colors buyers, and this is current price of OPG. So how to buy and sell? For example, by the way, when we create account with my referral code or other laborer Binance affiliate code, some other affiliate like me maybe share some code with you. Maybe you already created your account. On main screen, if you see bonus level, bonus number, no problem. But I want to give this information. This is important. Every month, 1,000 people limit we have. Because of this, you should be fast. So, when you create account with this code on Binance, you must sell and buy and sell, and you must create some volume for complete task about bonus, for get bonus. How we can do this volume? Now I want to show you this. It's so easy. Already how to buy and sell I am showing. I have 200 USA dollar here. You see, Now I'm going to buy OPG. I click red one, select, and I bought 200 USA dollar OPG. My OPG here, you see, 937. So how to sell? Fast way. Buyers here, sellers here. I'm checking buyers, for example, here. I select second one and I clicked. And I sold my OPG crypto. It's so easy, my friends. Now with 200 USA dollar I bought and 200 USA dollar I sold. So it's total 400 USA dollar volume total. You understood? Situation like that. Buy and sell like that. Creating volume like that for bonus tasks. I hope this video will be good for you. Many thanks for your time. If you like, you should click like button on video page. Thanks for your time. Emre Ata. By the way, on this video, just showing to you something with education. It's not trade advice.